In this video, I will show how to implement forgot password using Savable data page. For that, first go to Apps Explorer and open the section User Details. Here we have to create a new button. So whenever that button is clicked, there will be a flow in model dialog open to prompt the forgot password. So change the text to forgot password. And in Actions tab, create an action set. Add an event as click and action as flow in model dialog. Here we have to give the name of the flow. I'm giving it as forgot password. Click on the crosshair icon next to it and click on create and open. Click on the connector to open the flow action. So here we have to call the section. Name the section as a forgot password and open the section from crosshair icon. Do create and open. Here we have to add a mobile number field so that when the user enters this mobile number, whenever this mobile number is entered, a user will get the details of that particular mobile number. So in data capture, text field, actually we can have a phone number field type. Right. So click on this property. Here we have to create a new property for mobile number. Name it as mobile. Make sure this variable property name doesn't exist previously. So save. Go back to the section. Click on submit. Select the property and click on submit. Here we have to add a repeating dynamic layout. So when the mobile number is entered, the details of that particular mobile number will be displayed in this repeating dynamic layout. Or else we can simply add the embedded section. But for simplicity, I am adding this repeating dynamic layout. As there will be only one record, so we can simply add this repeating dynamic layout. Here we have to name the d_user details list. So this is the list data page. First we have to save as this. Actually we have a similar data page which is d_existing user where mobile is the parameter. This I have created in my previous videos. Please check them out. So here also in report definition we have this column sources, and in parameters I have passed a mobile number as a param. So whenever this mobile number that we are passing is existing in this data page, then it will return a record. So here we can see a parameter value is asked. So in that we are passing the mobile number value property which is there in the work page. And the refresh condition will be based on the mobile number. So here we have to add an embedded section. In this embedded section, we can see that class name is data-user details. In that class, we are going to create a section which is forgot password. Click on the crosshair icon and open it. Click on create and open. Just convert to full section editor and add two field names like email ID and username. So the values that corresponds to the mobile number that user enters, those email ID and username will be displayed in this section. Open this and call property name is email. Submit. And another property is the username. Mobile number will be entered by the user, so we have to display only the username. Here we have to add a button to ask the user to confirm the details. Change the text to confirm details, and we can change the presentation also to standard, strong, from standard to strong. Create an action set to transfer the details like email ID and username. For that, add an event as click and action as run data transform. Here we have to create a new data transform which is details transfer. So what we are going to do is, whenever this button is clicked, the email ID and the username that was displayed will be transferred to the py work page. For that, go to pages and classes and add py work page. And the class name will be tgb-demo-work-new account. New account is the case type name. Here in target values are from the py work page. So py work page dot email ID. So there are no existing properties, so we have to create them. py workpage dot email fp. I'm naming it as fp so that it is a forgot password, so that I won't be confused further. Save this and don't forget to mark the property as relevant record. So, and in source we have to transfer dot email. This dot email is from data user details, and another property will be username fp, and click on create and open. Save. Actions, mark as relevant record. Save. Here also in source we have to add if we have to pass the username. This dot email dot username are from user details data type. Okay, so we are done with the data transform. Go back to the section and submit. So we can see the button layout is changed. Save this section. Now again go back to the previous section which is in the work class. Submit it and then save it. So go back to the flow action and that also save. Go back to flow, submit. Here we have already added a section for displaying the email ID and username, but then after we have to ask the user to enter a password that he want to recorrect. So for that, add another assignment step, assignment shape. You can click on plus icon and simply add this assignment shape. connect the forgot password and this assignment shape. So click on the connector from assignment shape to the end shape. If you want, you can rename it. So click on this connector and create a new flow action. Open this flow action and click on create and open. Here we have to create another section and I'm naming it as enter password. Click on the crosshair icon next to it and do create and open. So here we have to add two fields. One is password and the second one is confirm password. You can see the password field is of type password only, so that it is in encrypted form. Create another property. I'm naming it as .password fp. Okay. Create and open. Save. Mark this as relevant record so that we can access this property wherever we want. Just submit it and add another field. Again password type only. This property name will be confirm password. Create and open. Save. Mark as relevant record. Go back to the section and click on submit. Save this section also. And here also select this enter password section and click save. Here we have to do one validation for checking whether the user have entered password and confirm password are same or not. So the function will be like first string equal to comparison relation and second string, like this it will be. And if password fp equals to does not equal to dot confirm password, then the error message will be passed. Like this, customize the message as you want. Click on submit. Here the property can be like confirm password. So wherever we specify on that property, this error message will be displayed. So same. Click on save. Go back to the flow action and here also do save. Go to the flow and submit this. So as of now we got mobile number, email ID, username and password. So we have to rewrite these details. Previously there is a password. Now we are going to rewrite it. Using Savable database only we are doing it. So open the Savable data page. Here we have to pass the database name, d_user details savable. Actually, we have to save as it first. Select it, open it, and do save as. I'm naming it as forgot password. Create and open. Change the data source as a data transform and create a new data transform, forgot password dt. Open it from the crosshair icon. Create and open. Here we have to add pages and classes, which is py work page. And the class name will be the case type name, which is tgp demo work new account. Target are from data class, that are email, mobile, and password, username. In sources, be careful while adding the properties. If you have multiple names, don't get confused. Like I have password and password fp, so don't get confused. You have to add email fp or password fp, like that. In mobile, this is the mobile property that user enters in password flow. Username fp, save. Go back to the data page, and here in data save options also call this forgot password dt. Click on save. Go back to the flow. Here we have to pass the parameter, and also the database name should be changed, d_forgot password. Parameter will be py workpage dot mobile. Click on submit and save. So we are done with all the steps that are required. Go back to the section that user details section, where we have called this flow, and submit and save. Make sure that you have saved all the records that we have created. Now I have created a case. Clicked on forgot password. I will enter the mobile number. This mobile number is an existing mobile number in my data type. So he have to click on confirm details for sure. Then only the data transform will be run. Or else instead of having that button, we can keep a boolean type of property also. Click on submit. Here you can see I haven't entered confirm password that is similar to password, so it is showing error. Now it worked. Yes. Let's create. So I can't create because I have to give username and password. Then only I can submit. So you can see here password is rewritten. So I have entered from password to it changed to 1234.